Hello 9th standard. Today we will revise exercise 5th D, which is based on factorization of two terms in cubes. If any of the two terms are in cubes and they are in plus, then how to factorize them? We will take them as sum of the terms, means the first factor a plus b, the second one a square minus ab plus b square. In second one, if it is given in minus or the difference is given and the terms are in cube, then how to factorize? The factors will be a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So in this exercise we will follow these two identities. Now we will start our exercise. Question number second. So in second question what is given? 1 minus 8a cube. 1 minus 8a cube. We can compare them. We have here two terms. So whether it is in cube form or not, if it is not in a cube form, we have to change them first. We have to convert them. So 1 is cube of 1 minus 8 is cube of 2a and power 3. Now this identity a cube minus b cube, that means we will follow the second one here using a cube minus b cube equals a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. What we will get? 1 cube minus 2a cube equals. We compare them. So our first factor, difference of these two terms, 1 minus 2a. The second factor, square of first term. So square of first term means 1 square plus their product, 1 into 2a plus square of second term, 2a whole square. So our factors are 1 minus 2a into 1 plus 2a plus square of 2 is 4a square. So these are the factors. This is the answer. Now our next question, question number 4. In question number 4, what is given? A6 plus 27 b raised to the power 3. So we have two terms in plus. First of all, we have to change these terms in cube form. So you can write it as a square cube. When you multiply the powers, 3 2s are 6, we are getting the same. Here 27, what we will take? 27 is cube of 3. Yes, we will take 3b cube. So here we have positive terms, so we have the terms in plus. So using a cube plus b cube equals a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. We will follow this identity to solve this question. Therefore, a square cube plus 3b cube equals sum of their terms, means a square plus 3b. Square of first term is a square minus their product, a square into 3b plus square of second term is 3b here. So 3b whole square. A square plus 3b into, now we open these powers, 2 2s are 4 minus 3 a square b plus square of 3 is 9, 9b square. So these are the factors. Now our next question, we will do now 7th question. So what is the statement? A cube plus 0.064. Here we have 3 decimal places. So this first of all we have to change into cube form. 64 is cube of which term? 4. So a cube plus 0.4. There are 3 decimals. What we will do? We will take 1 decimal place and we do cube. So same property we will follow. I am not writing here. Now square of first term minus their product plus square of second term 0.4 square. So a plus 0.4 a square minus 0.4 a plus square of 4 is 16. Here it is one decimal place. How many will be there now? 2. So 0.16. These are the factors. Now next question, question number 9. In this question we have two terms, x minus y cube minus 8x cube. Now the first term is already in power of cubes, but here 8 we have to change. So x minus y cube minus 8 is cube of 2, so 2x cube. Now we can follow the identity of difference of two terms using a cube minus b cube equals a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This we will follow here. So x minus y cube minus 2x cube equals sum of their difference of their terms. So x minus y minus 2x. Here square of first term is x minus y plus their product x minus y multiply with 2x plus square of another term. Now we remove these brackets. X minus y minus 2x. Here we have to follow the property of x minus y whole square. X square plus y square minus 2xy. Here we multiply 2x with x minus y. So what we will get? We get 2x square minus 2xy plus square of 2 is 4x square. Now we add or subtract. Minus 2x plus x minus x minus y. Here x square, all three are in plus, we add them 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. 7x square. Then we have 1y square. Then minus 2xy minus 2xy minus 4xy. From here we can take minus common. So minus 1 is common. What left? X plus y. 7x square plus y square minus 4xy. These are the factors. This is our answer. Now our next question, question number 11. In this question the statement is given a raised to the power 6 minus b raised to the power 6. So what we will do? We change in cube square. First we will change it into square. See how? A cube like this. 3 2s are 6 minus. Now which property we will follow here? A square minus b square. Using a square minus b square equals a plus b, a minus b. So what we will get? We get once their sum, once their difference. So a cube plus b cube into a cube minus b cube. Now we can take these both the terms. In first we can follow the property of a cube plus b cube, and here we will go with a cube minus b cube. When we go with a cube plus b cube, what will be the factors? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And when we go with minus, factors are a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. You can leave it here like this also, otherwise you arrange them. A minus b, a plus b, a square plus ab plus b square and a square minus ab plus b square. So these are the factors. Now our next question, question number 13. In this question, the statement is given a cube minus 27b cube plus 2a square b minus 6ab square. So what we will do? We will take first two terms and last two terms. In first two terms, we will go with the formula of a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus 27 is cube of 3b cube. From last two terms, 2 is common, a and b. So what left here? Here a minus 2 3s are 6b. This cube we will factorize by a cube minus b cube. A minus b means a minus 3b. Then square of first term, a square minus their product, a into 3b plus square of second term, square of 3 is 9, square of b is b square plus 2ab a minus 3b. If you will see further, if you want to take common, a minus 3b is common in both the terms. So a minus 3b into, from here what left? A square minus 3ab plus 9b square, and from here what left? Plus 2ab. Sorry, here plus will come. A minus 3b, we add them, a square plus 3ab plus 9b square plus 2ab. So finally we get our answer a minus 3b into a square 3 plus 2 5ab plus 9b square. This is our answer. Next question 17th. In this question the statement is like this. You have to factorize 1029 minus 3x cube. So 1029 is cube of any term? No. So whatever is common first, that we will take. Both the terms are divisible by 3. 3 we will take common. When you divide 1029 by 3, what we will get? We get 343 minus x cube. Now 343 is cube of 7. We multiply 7 3 times. Otherwise you can factorize it by prime factor and then you can change it into cube form. So 3 into 7 cube minus x cube. We will go by minus property here. 3 into 7 minus x, the second factor will be square of 7 plus their product plus square of second term. 3, 7 minus x, square of 7 is 49 plus 7 into x is 7x and square of x is x square. These are the factors. So like this you can try remaining sums of this exercise by using the same identity.